Moving on now to Australia. Election month is underway there. Campaigning is well into its fourth week and the race seems to be very close. Prime Minister Scott Morrison is in the battle of his political life to secure re-election, with Labour Party leader Anthony Albanese posing a very strong challenge. The latest decision by the Australian Central Bank created fresh pressure on Scott Morrison. It chose an interesting time to raise interest rates for the first time in a decade, the last thing any incumbent Prime Minister would need. It's less than 3 weeks before polling day and opposition leaders have jumped at the opportunity to recruit more support. In a practical sense, the rate rise will put extra strain on household budgets across Australia. Some people in Sydney are already thinking about changing their votes.
Of course it's going to affect my vote. I mean, it's a cost of living thing. If they are really good economic managers, then surely they would have planned for this a bit more and made it a bit easier for us.
Look, I think it will be difficult for people with those really high mortgages. I mean, people have gone into debt up to their ears. So it's going to be really tough for people.
Australian inflation is at a 21-year high. A crucial issue because of the cost of living because the cost of living is the top issue in this year's election. Scott Morrison is banking on how Australia's economic recovery from the pandemic can help him. But on the other hand, Anthony Albanese has made a pitch for a better future. Right now, the scale appears to be tilting in the Labour Party's favour. Morrison seems optimistic that the central bank's decision will not impact his voter base. But the last time rates rose during an election campaign was in 2007, and it did have a negative impact on the ruling government, John Howard losing his position as Prime Minister. The election is on the 21st of May. Whoever ends up winning will not only have to fulfil their campaign promises, but also face an anxious population reeling from the rising costs of living. So the battle is going to be uphill either way.